Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Thanuja and I'm an artist who create handmade keychains and other cute and crafted creations. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I clean and glaze and assemble my charms after they have completely dried. This process helps give them a smooth glossy finish and turns them into beautiful keychains ready for their new owners. So let's get started. Before I start working on my keychains, the first thing I do clean my workspace. Since dust can easily stick to the charms, I make sure my table is neat and completely dust free. A clean workspace helps me achieve a better finish. Once my table is clean, I move on to my charms. After drying, they usually collect a little dust, so I carefully clean each one using a earbuds. This helps remove tiny dust particles and prepare the surface for glazing. Next, I check all the eye pins to make sure they stay secure and don't come loose lately. I apply a small amount of Fevikwik around them. This extra steps makes the keychain stronger and more durable. After securing the eye pins, I inspect each charms for rough edges or small cracks. Using a cutter, I carefully smoothen them out. It takes some patience, but it makes a big difference in the final result.
If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Whenever you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan, I know I'm holding the best of me out of my hand. I know you always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side.
Now comes my favorite part, glazing. I use UV resin to give my charms a beautiful glossy finish. Using a paintbrush, I carefully apply a thin layer and heavy layer of resin over the surface of each charms. I don't have a proper player or charm holder yet, so I use scissors to hold my charms while applying resin. It may not be the ideal tool, but it works for me. Once the resin is applied, I place the charm under my UV light and let them cure for about 30 minutes.
I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire.
After the charms are completely cured, it's time to turn them into keychain. I attach jump rings and key chains hardware to each charms. Since I don't have players right now, I carefully use my hands to open and close the jump rings. However, I would recommend using players because they make the process easier and safer. Please be careful if you are doing it by hand.
You always understand. Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know
And that's it. My handmade keychains are finally finished and ready to go to their new homes. Seeing the final results always make me so happy, and I hope you enjoyed watching this process. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my handmade art journey. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art and keychain making videos. If you want to buy keychains, you can DM me on Instagram. See you in the next one.